Welcome to my channel. I wish you happiness and tranquility. Let's briefly talk about alcohol metabolism, its byproducts effects, types of liver diseases, what are the symptoms, causes, and the possible treatment. Let's begin. Alcohol metabolism. An enzyme known as alcohol dehydrogenase metabolizes alcohol in your liver cells. ADH breaks down alcohol into acetaldehyde, then another enzyme known as aldehyde dehydrogenase further dissociates it into acetate. An average rate for living alcohol is 0.015 gram per 100 ml in an hour, and it is the same as blood alcohol content level by 0.015 per hour. For men, this is usually a rate of about one standard drink per hour. What are the byproducts effects? Byproducts generated during alcohol metabolism injure the liver by increasing lipid accumulation, causing inflammation and fibrosis. Especially acetaldehyde is known as the toxic compound, and it is the first metabolite of alcohol metabolism. Types of liver diseases. There are three types of liver diseases relevant to alcohol consumption, and these are fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, or cirrhosis. Fatty liver disease is caused due to acute alcohol ingestion, and it is generally reversible with abstinence. Fatty liver is not believed to predispose a patient to any chronic form if abstinence or moderation is maintained. Alcoholic hepatitis is also an acute form of alcohol-induced liver injury, and it occurs when you consume alcohol quantity on a large scale over a prolonged period. Alcohol hepatitis can range in severity from asymptomatic derangement of biochemistries to liver failure and death. Cirrhosis is the result of a chronic liver disease, and it occurs when the disease has destroyed normal liver tissues and transforming into non-functioning scar tissues, and cirrhosis is rarely reversible. There are a number of causes for cirrhosis. These could be alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis, autoimmune disease, exposure to certain drugs and toxins, or other viral and infectious diseases. Alcoholic related liver diseases symptoms. See what could be the possible symptoms. Alcoholic related liver disease does not usually cause any symptoms until the liver has been severely damaged, but when this happens, symptoms can include feeling sick, loss of weight, loss of appetite, yellowing of the eyes and skin known as jaundice, swelling in the ankles and tummy, confusion or drowsiness, vomiting blood or passing blood in your stools. If you regularly drink alcohol to excess, tell your GP so they can check if your liver is damaged. Let's talk about few causes. Alcoholic liver disease occurs after years of heavy drinking. Over time, scarring and cirrhosis can occur. Well, cirrhosis is the final phase of alcoholic liver disease. Alcoholic liver disease does not occur in all heavy drinkers, and chances of getting this disease go up to longer you have been drinking and more alcohol you consume. This disease is common in the people with age 40 and 50, and this problem is more likely to happen in men. And women may also develop the disease after less exposure to alcohol than men. and some people may have an inherited risk for this disease. Let's see few possible treatments, and you can do this by changing your lifestyle. Some things you can do to help take care of your liver disease are: stop drinking alcohol. Please stop this. Eat a healthy diet that is low in salt, like low sodium diet, and get vaccinated for the diseases like influenza, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and pneumococcal pneumonia. Well, talk to your provider about all medicines you take, including herbs and supplements and over-the-counter medicines. Medicines from your doctor. Take water pills, diuretics to get rid of fluid buildup. Vitamin K are blood product to prevent excess bleeding, and medicines for mental confusion, and use antibiotics for infection. What could be the other possible treatments? That could be removal of fluid from the abdomen, placement of a transjugular intrahepatic photosystematic shunts tips to repair blood flow in the liver. When cirrhosis progresses to end-stage liver disease, a liver transplant may be needed, and liver transplantation for alcoholic liver disease is only considered in people who have completely avoided alcohol for 6 months. Join sport groups, and many people benefit from joining sport groups for alcoholism or liver diseases. Well, alcoholic liver disease is treatable if it is caught before it causes severe damage. However, continued excessive drinking can shorten your lifespan. Cirrhosis further worsens the condition and can lead to serious complications. In case of severe damage, the liver cannot heal or return to normal function. Thank you so much for listening attentively. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.